Hi, I'm the math guy Steve. Let's try solving this equation. So when solving logarithmic equations, the way we should solve these is if we have logs on each part of it, on each term, if there's logs on both sides, then we try to get log equal to log so we can set the arguments, the insides of those logarithms equal to each other. Whereas if we have logs, but everything is not logged, then maybe get log equal to a number so we can change this into an exponential equation. So let's try that here. Here we have, okay, log base 5 of x minus log base 5 of 9 equals 2. So notice that 2 does not have the log on it. So we'll say, well, let's try to combine the logs on the left side, okay, and then turn it into an exponential equation. So here, how do we combine those? Well, one of our rules of log says that if I have a subtraction in between these two logarithms, I can divide their arguments if they have the same base. Okay, so like here we write this as log base 5 of x divided by 9, okay, equals 2. And now we change it to an exponential equation. How we do that? Well, we start from the base and kind of make this circular motion, okay? So we say, okay, 5 raised to the second power equals this inside, okay? So here that would be 5 raised to the second power equals x over 9, okay? A lot easier equation to solve now, right? Because 5 squared is just 25, so we get 25 equals x over 9. And then getting x by itself multiplied by 9. So we get x equals 9 times 25. Let's see. 8 times 25. So 8 quarters is $2. So 9 times 25, 225. Okay, got it. So that would be our solution to this equation. Now, don't forget to check it, okay? Nike step, check step, okay? How do we check to make sure? Well, plug it back into the original and see if we get a true statement. Let's try it. All right. So let's check it. So if I plug in 225 for each x, let's see if we get a true statement. Okay, so that would be log base 5 of 225, minus log base 5 of 9. Is that equal to 2? Let's see. Well, again, by our rules of logs, we know we can divide these insides, right? Because they have the same base. Log base 5 of 225 divided by 9. Is that equal to 2? Well, 225 divided by 9 is 25. So that's log base 5 of 25. Is that equal to 2? Well, again, another rule we have for logs is that if I have log base x of x to a power, that just equals the power. So here we have log base 5 of, and 25 we can write as 5 squared. Okay. And so what happens is that just cancels. We left with just the power. So we end up with 2 equals 2, which is a true statement. Okay, it checks out. Okay, it works out. So again, when solving logarithmic equations, try to get log equal to a number and change it to an exponential equation, okay? All right, and don't forget to check it. That's the Nike step, check step, okay? Always remember, math is everywhere.